That's like really loud. Oh wait, no, you guys don't hear that yet because the music. Perfect. My mic is squeaky. Hi Abra, hi Pug. Hi, I'm early, I'm not late. Shoop. I forgot the music, I'm so sorry. Yo Lexi, congrats on first. Stupid. Lexi has a college meeting right now, I don't know why she's here. Bye. Hi Pug. Hi Whimsical, hi Sadler. Bye. Good morning. Hey guys. Where's the music at? There we go. Hey, thanks Abra. Hold on, let me get the YouTube stream up myself. Thanks, homie. Oh, I can hear myself. I know Abra just pinned it, but go like the YouTube stream. Hey Whimsical, I'm doing good today, thank you. Hope you're doing good. Anybody who likes the YouTube stream gets one free lollipop, just so you guys know. So make sure you do that. You don't even have to watch, just like it. I'll be your best friend. Okay. Let me get YouTube chat up over there. Perfecto. Alright, hope we're all doing amazing. Just left and you went live. Oh, at the zoo? Oh, nice Pug. Have fun. Sounds like a vibe. What are we doing today? I have no idea. I think I want to code later. I need to make a Discord bot and I need to do it fast. Yes. So I need Michaela to get up in here because I want to ask her if she wants to do something because I'm making a bot for the SMP Discord that's in the works right now. And I want to have a way to like automate the whitelist thingy. Like I mentioned the other day. Whatchamacallit? I mentioned the other day like automatically giving people with the whitelist role the invite to the server with like a private DM for like the server link or whatever. And I scrapped that idea because you know, Michaela's also doing something and I don't want to have like a whole fancy bot if Michaela doesn't have it. But Michaela's okay with it. I'll just make the bot work on her Discord server too. So that might be what we end up doing. And it's going to be the same bot that's actually in the Discord server. So KuklaBot is like KuklaBot only works on our Discord server because it uses the server ID. It uses the server ID that is like unique to our server. But there's a way for it to kind of like not specify the Discord ID and then use the Discord ID of whatever server it's in, the token. Yeah, exactly. So there's a way to like, instead of using a specific one, it just grabs the ID of like what server it's in and then uses that instead. So that's how I'm going to do it for 2 Discords at once. I just don't want other people to, you know, use the bot. So I'll probably have it private. And then maybe Michaela could just have an invite link for the bot. I don't really know how it works, but I'll figure it out. That's what we'll be doing today. I have a new Minecraft mod that is like almost fully functional. So that's hype. I mentioned a few months ago dynamic raid spawn radius. It's a mod that lets you adjust how far away raiders will spawn from the center. And yeah, I've been working on that again, and it's almost done. I was doing that yesterday. Thank you, Whimsical. Have a good one. Hope everybody's having a good Tuesday, though. I know it's like middle of the workday, so I appreciate you guys being here. And everybody's going back to school, so get hype. But yes, if this works out, it's gonna be so cool. It's gonna be like the homie server has a bot that's similar to that actually. We have to make sure people meet the requirement, but once we give them the role, the bot will DM them. Yes. So as soon as we check off their message with the green check mark in the whitelist channel, Abra, the bot will DM that person with the link. Should be flawless. It should work perfectly. So it knows when that green check mark is reacted, and then the person whose message was reacted to will get the DM. So get hype. What we can also do is have the green check mark send them the DM and the whatchamacallit? The role. And then I could probably set up a command where if they like for whatever reason lose the link to the server, have like a command DM them like over and over again, but like that's kinda unnecessary. What's up, Jeremiah? Good morning. Hey, homie. But yeah, lots of stuff to do. I have Discord bot stuff to do. I got Minecraft modding to do. It's gonna be a day. I was thinking of like switching over to like an alt stream to do the coding stuff, but I don't know if I want to do that. And I think I'm gonna do the modding first because I want to show you guys. Also, it's Minecraft. So if I don't finish the Discord, if I don't get much done on the Discord bot today, expect an alt stream, like tonight or something. Sounds like a full day. Yes, sir, it is. Yes, yes, yes. In the meantime, let's do hardcore things. What did we do last time? We moved gas, we lost our skelly horse, and that's about it. Alright, Sadler, appreciate you, thank you. Gotta make sure people can't check mark their own messages. Yeah, true. We'll just have a, we'll just turn off ad reactions or whatever. You know? Should be as simple as that. Good point though, Aber. Alright, let's... Whoa, I did not mean to do that. Let's get some, Axo's bread. Blue Axo time. Who do we, like, not have any axolotls of? I feel like we're missing a bunch of pink ones. Got a yellow one, a cyan one. Bro, what just happened to all the pink axolotls? What the hell? Alright. Fletcher, morning. Hope you're doing well. Alright. Okay, perfect. I saw that a new snapshot was out today, but I've not looked into that at all, so I'm waiting for an Exuma Void video to come out on that. Thank you, Fletcher. I assume it's not too much. I think they're pretty much done with the crops already. They have I know they have a lot of copper golem feedback to sort out, so that's exciting. But yeah. Yeah, hardcore for maybe like an hour, honestly, and then the rest of stream can be we'll do some coding. So that's fun. Oh, I need to go chop down some trees. That's what I wanted to do. Crap. Actually, I need to Wait, that was dumb. Shouldn't have done that. Let me find the screenshot of the place I had last time. I think it's this one. 981-71426. 981-426. Cool. Cool. Hope you had a good day today, Abra. I know your day is like, I guess it's 5 o'clock for you. Going well? That's good. Totally forgot the chords I just checked for this portal. I don't remember I broke it though. Hold on. Hey Mama TJ, welcome in. I love just like forgetting things that I just looked at before. 981-426. Okay, I don't know why. So we have to go this way. Hope you're doing good. Thank you guys who liked the YouTube stream, by the way. You guys are nerds. In a great way. Alright, where's this portal at? There. Nine 8-4-2-6-9. Beautiful. This is not my on repeat. Beautiful. It's a good song. Just somebody hates me for skipping that, but you know what? I'm rich. Let's do the corners. Why not? Why freaking not? Let's chop down some, whatchamacallit, spruce. Nice little 360. Why is it like, wasn't it nighttime last time I was here? What you building? We're just, collecting spruce for our village there, Mama TJ. Gotta get back into, building houses for the village. And honestly, this is probably just as fast as, you know, AFKing at a tree farm. So, oh, I did want to, oh, we have to build a tree farm this stream. That's what I want to do. Totally forgot about that. You know what? We're going to just switch it up completely and do that today. Totally forgot I wanted to do that. Oh my god, he made it up here. Who's shooting me? Chill out. Oh my god. Oops. Alright, well, like I said, I'm not going to be streaming for too long today, so I actually do want to get that done. I need to make a better tree farm. I'll be back for that other half of a tree, don't worry. Maybe. It's not too far away. I am super excited to show you guys the Raiders mod. There's not an issue, but there's a limit to it where, so by default This the spawning radius is 96 blocks away from the center, and the game is hard coded. Like, it has other logic throughout the raid logic where like the raid is made to work with a 96 block radius. So anything above that is going to cause issues where the raiders like won't know where to pathfind to, or they're going to like, it's going to automatically end the raid if they're any farther than like 100 or something. So 96 is like the max I can do. So 96 is the default, and that's set to the max. And then anything from 96 to 0 is what you can change it to. I might be able to override like the entire thing, but I'd have to make my own like spawning system, and you know, if people want that, I'll do it, but it's a lot. It's a lot more work than just changing how far away they spawn. You know, below the farthest they can, if that makes sense. I know that's confusing. Alright, Aber. How many chests do you have? It's a lot. I plan on redoing that storage room though. Oop. Yikes. Yeah, I will be redoing that storage room. Because it's a little bit overkill. And I like don't even use half of it. So can't wait for the copper golems to organize the messes. Yeah, I'd like to incorporate them somehow. But I also said that about Allays, and I haven't gotten to that yet, so maybe when I overhaul it, I will use them. Alright, let's look up like a really good tree farm design, shall we? It's actually fine in LA. Oh really? I know they really only spawn in the outpost, the outpost cages and the prisons in whatchamacallit, the mansions. So hold on, let me, oh, I did pause the game, whoops. Thank you, Kuklabot. Hope you're doing well, Kuklabot. I don't know if he's in the talking mood today. Absolutely not. Alright, let's look here. Yeah, no, I just want a regular wood farm. Oh, there's a video on the snapshot. It keeps giving me the same freaking design that I have right now. It's like not the best. I want a lossless. I want lossless. It's all the same freaking design, dude. I think this is the one I want. Is the farm I have really the best? Like, it's the only one that... It's the one that keeps coming up. Maybe it is. I haven't found a mansion in a long time, but every time I find an outpost, it's always a golem. Oh, that's annoying. I think you can find both technically, but yeah, it's not all the time, which sucks. I mean, I guess the tree farm I have is the best. Like, I don't know. Maybe I don't want to build a new tree farm then. Doesn't seem like this is like the fastest tree farm out there. Ain't broke, don't fix it. Honestly, very wise. I mean, at least we can do is add more chests to here. Definitely. It broke, but can't fix, rebuild it. Thank you, Yug. Welcome in. The only issue is that it will sometimes blow up things on the side. Like, yeah. Let me look up if there's like this design but better. Like there's this one. But this looks exactly the same as the one I have now. So I got no clue. This is exactly what I have, right? I convert the saplings into bone meal. Convert the saplings into bone meal. That's true. Like, is there any... What about the spacing? 5, 6... Was that 11? I'd like to make adjustments if I can, at least. Because there's issues with it. It just... Like, if blocks get stuck... If blocks get stuck in any spot, they can get blown up and I'd lose them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6... No, it's exact same farm as what I was just looking at. Okay. It's also really freaking loud. Probably turn that down, actually. T. It's deprimed? Oh, it's an explosion sound. Okay. I'll put that to like 16 then. Because I don't want explosions to be, you know, muted. That would not be smart. Is that better? Is that still like really loud? Alright, Mama TJ, thank you. Is that better? Hopefully that's better. Let's go get some stuff. Yes. Is this my long lost skelly horse or have you been here? Nope. Just lost that dude. Actually, let's try right here for stuff. thing has its own storage room or storage at this point. Water. I need hoppers and chests. That's what I need. Chest. That's about it. What I need 6. Perfect. No, do I have any more stone brick? Yes, I do. Okay. Nice. Alright. Perfect. Now. Water. Now this, I don't know how to do, but maybe like... Oh, but then there's this issue, duh. What was I thinking here? I have a water source right here that I didn't see before. I feel like there's something that's not right with this thing. I don't know why. Like, watch where the freaking blocks go. Yeah. Hmm. Well, this doesn't look... Not doing that bad. Like, stuff does get caught on the outside somehow. Hmm. I don't know how to prevent that, though. I mean, the losses... I guess the losses are, like, minimal. That's like one block of spruce right there. And now it's more than one. Hmm. Yeah, maybe this farm is... It's alright. Not worth it. How much bone meal do I have? Oh. Might just... Yeah, F it. Let's finish the bone meal here. Should be out of bone meal soon. Oh, no way the zombie sees me. You wouldn't dare. Oh, it's okay. He's kind of dumb. Oh, whoops. Thanks. This zombie wants me so bad. Jeez. Just climb the scaffolding, dude. Just climb the scaffolding. Actually, now that I think about it, I kind of want... Oh, yeah, 'cause I kind of want to do oak wood as well. Alright, hold up. Is that all the wood I have? Really? All I've gotten? Bro. Jeez. Okay, let me... Alright, let's do the rest in the oak wood. Should be a decent bit for the wood in the village at least. I'm gonna go through the spruce wood like it's nothing, but whatever. Just come back to here for that. Oak wood I really only need for the whatchamacallit. For those bits. And even the posts are mixed in with spruce wood, so I really just need spruce wood. This is an excessive amount of oak I have here. I think I'm good on oak, to be honest. It's also just good to have wood, obviously. You need wood for everything. It's a huge freaking tree. Dude, when am I running out of bone meal? This is crazy. can't look at this chest, right? Did you get your armor? Different icons by the hearts. That's a custom resource pack, Whimsical. It's in the files. I had somebody make this for me years ago. But you can make it whatever you want. It's just a file in your in the game files. It's a different texture. So my armor is turtle helmet hearts. Or turtle helmets, I mean. Because of Turtle Gang. So yeah. Yeah, so it's so your UI, which is like your hearts, your hunger bars, your armor, it's all in like yo, normal guy.
It's here, I guess.
Hello, didn't you sub like last stream? Thank you for the 19 months, dude. Thank you. Good morning, welcome in. So all of your HUD, they're Whimsical, so your hearts and your armor and your food bar is like one big like picture file, and all these little sprites are like put on it, and that's how you edit it. So you'd have to like edit the whole picture, but just that specific part to show the armor. It's complicated. I don't do it myself that often. It's somebody did this for me, so. But yeah. Thank you, homie. That's totally valid. That's totally valid. That was a good gulp of ice cold water. I don't know if you guys heard that. We got ice cold water today. Heck yeah. What's up, Abra? I'm trying to use up this tree farm until I run out of bone meal, but I cannot seem to be running out of bone meal anytime soon. What the hell is happening? Okay, we're in the home stretch. Actually, wait, how much? Let's be honest, how much oak wood do we have? I think we have more oak than spruce right now, so. Oh, I guess not that much. I mean, just look at this bit of. What should we call it? No, yeah, that's enough oak for me. Let's go back to spruce. Banger, by the way. I mean, after this, I really have no excuse to not be building houses. You might see me build a freaking house today. Also, I'm kind of cooking up ideas. I'm in the early stages of the broken run down part of the village that Pumatz requested. That's like the only thing Pumatz has asked for, is like the outskirts of the village to have like ruins. So we're gonna do that over on this side, where that path ends. We're gonna have a gateway right here, and it's gonna be like a crumbled archway, and then past that point is gonna be like a few like rundown buildings. And I'm thinking we like move it to I'm thinking we expand it to over here. Although the thing is, this is like a perfect spot for like a port town thing, but I guess we have all the river to do that, so yeah. What I could do is, this is very shallow, so I might just terraform this whole thing to be more grass, because look how little space I have, like, right here. I guess I have this, too. Cover that up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Terraform that whole thing. Move the beach, like, farther that way. Ooh, maybe a bridge going over here? Not that I would do anything over here, but that'd be cool. Or maybe I have the path lead to here, and then we have a bridge over here, but the bridge is like crumbled. It's like you can't get across the bridge, and then on this side will be the ruined village. I didn't even think about that. I might do that. Because otherwise it was just gonna stretch to like over here. I might do that. Where like half the bridge is like broken. Like straight down the middle or something. That would be cool. I'll talk to Pumatz about that. Also, seeing all the homies here during the late night streams the other night makes me really looking forward to the new stream schedule during the school year. Because I'm pretty certain I'm gonna be streaming during the weekdays, like maybe 2 nights a week. So that'd be great. That'd be hype. Except Abra. Abra will not be here. Abra needs sleep. We still got the weekend streams though, don't worry. It's perfect. We'll have 2 weekday streams for everyone else, and we'll have 2 weekend streams just for Abra to be here. I'm kidding. Also, anybody that's like not in my time zone. Oh, hello, Mono. Welcome in. 1 stream over Thanksgiving and 1 over what? Wait, what? Oh, hello? What are you talking about? Also, hi, Mono. Hi. What's up, nerd? Honestly, Mono just reminded me about last night. The Mets, baby. Yeah, go. The freaking Mets. First of all, I love that gif with the meme with Kingpin and like talking about the Mets. That's so random. When Pug put that in general, I actually like giggled a little bit. The Mets, baby. Go Mets. Yeah, Mets. But dude, they went crazy last night. 13-3 in a baseball game for the Mets. It's unheard of. Crazy. Like, the Mets are like so inconsistent, so that was really fun to watch. They were sucking early on, and then after 3rd inning they scored runs like every inning of the game after that. So I think we're done. believe we are out of bone meal. Nice. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Very nice. Oh damn, we got this filled up too. Is this a whole shulker box of spruce? Maybe this time spent was worth it. Damn. Sweet. We out. Did I turn that off? Yes. Also, I left wood in the, whatchamacallit, my base, so I'm gonna grab the wood from there. Oh, Mets, baby. Oh my god, that's so loud, dude. That's awful. Really sad I don't like the Mets, but I must say that was a good game. You're a Philly? You'd rather Phillies over Mets? Come on. Also, what's with my arrows bouncing off of mobs since I updated the game? It's actually very concerning. Nah, bro, that was fun to watch though. That was fun. And like I said, I don't. I'm gonna be honest. I don't watch baseball at home, and I don't go to games that often. But that was great. That was pretty great. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I have an idea. I'm gonna leave some extra wood at my base so that I don't keep grabbing it from over here. And put that, although I might have too much spruce, but oh well. The Mets, baby. What's up, Giz? Oh, my momentum there was weird. Need all the spruce here. You know what? No, I'll be nice. I'll leave like 10 stacks. You know what? That's perfect. I kind of, honestly, I didn't even mean to do that. I think Giz is just following these guys, but he doesn't know what to do because they're just chilling there. So he's just gonna pathfind towards like as close as possible. He doesn't know to come out and over. So I kind of love that he's just chilling there. Do you have a hitbox? Am I gonna hit him? I'm not even gonna hit him. It's so funny. Can't pull a Viper and pop a totem flying onto him. I know that the Cardinals have 0 chance in the playoffs, but I live off the hopium when it comes to 2 of my favorite teams. Chiefs have been good recently. Cardinals have sucked. Blues are getting better. I'm not powerhouse. Oh. Well, the Mets won last night, so that's all that matters. Glad. Glad. I'm sorry for your, I'm just sorry, Mono. I'm sorry for everything. Psych! No, I'm just kidding. What's up, Skelly? Ding. Also, today after stream, I will be DMing pretty much all of these people. Move their armor stand. Yes. And honestly, if they want to be walking these paths, they totally can. I just need to move them. Because I'm gonna be building this area. If you want to be in a different spot in the world, that's fine. If you want to be like over there, that's fine. I'm gonna say no being inside buildings. I feel like that's fair. I mean, the villagers need to be there anyway. But like anywhere along the roads or in this village is fair game. To be totally honest. But yeah. I'll give you guys the option to go somewhere else in the world, but I kind of hope that most of these people will choose to be like in the village. That will just liven it up like automatically, which would be pretty cool. But yeah. You know what? Let me finally get rid of this freaking thing here. All the red nether ore and all like the blocks and stuff. A lot of freaking I can store all these, right? Yeah. Everything else can go in here. Beautiful. Let's go. I said I'd only be playing Minecraft for like an hour, but I think I'm gonna go until ads start, which is in about half an hour, so you guys get extra Minecraft today. But then we're switching to Minecraft mod, so I guess technically still doing Minecraft actually. Hello, spruce saplings. Do I have a spot for apples? I actually don't. Let me actually grab all the apples that I have in here. Jeez, I have a lot. Apples, apples, apples. Why do I have so many apples? Who's gonna explain that? So yoinking that XP bottle. Are we good in the... Nope, still got more. Are we good in the apples department finally? Thank you. Peace. Well, that's fun. Just plop that in there. I mean, this is all gonna get moved anyway, but those are all the apples I have. Cool. Where is... I wonder if when I eventually redo the entire storage room, which is happening soon, if I make it 3 levels instead of 2, because that's what I plan on doing, because we have way too many chests, will the place look bigger or smaller? I feel like it will look smaller. Honestly, I have no idea. Yeah, huge revamps. Get hype. Good on the grass. Do some villager maintenance. Try to stock up on emeralds and stuff. Bam. Bam, bam. Oh, prevalency.
Link is a nerd blush point. Oh wait.
Wait, what?
Wrong chat.
Yo.
Kool-Aid is a nerd blush point.
Oh, okay. Meanie.
Link is also still a nerd too.
Yo, prevalency, thank you for the 29 months, dude. Jeez. Thanks, prevalency. That was funny. You know, I don't laugh that much at prevalency. When I do, it's a pretty good joke. Definitely. Yes, yes. Thank you, nerd. Appreciate you. Founder, by the way. Final founder. I'm doing good, man. Thank you. I'm actually about to switch off from Minecraft and do some coding. I know I'm funny. Actually, while you're here, Prevalency, I do have a question for you. I am moving all the armor stands in like this OG area where I had everybody, because I plan on expanding the village this way. So I was wondering if I guess you can stay in this spot. I don't know why I'm asking you, because this thing isn't going anywhere. But I mean, you're in the OG spot, so if you'd like to get moved, let me know. You can go anywhere in this village, but Yeah, I don't know why I'm asking you, because you can actually stay there. But most of these people here, they have to move. So that's why I'm asking people. But if you want to stay there, because that's pretty funny actually, you can. Yeah. Cool. You can also... I feel like I haven't made it clear to people that they can get 2 guardian stands. I don't know if people know that, but little PSA for everyone that hears this. You can redeem another guardian. You already have it. It's kind of like how immortalizes work. So yeah. How long you got left of the craft? Ads start in 20 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm going whenever I come back from break, Abra. Why? Do you have a request or something? Sounded by the way. Do we not have that emote? Should have that emote. Or is that not even an emote? I don't know. Just wondering. Oh, okay. Well, now I'm suspicious. Oh, I gotta get that next block. There we go. Oh, thank you, nerd. I knew that was an emote. I don't know why I was second guessing myself. I was like, is that a real emote? It is. Give me all of your emeralds. Where do they get these emeralds from? Let's be honest. Seems sketchy. Like, they've been in this box for like, I mean, years, to be honest. Like, where are they getting this supply from? Strange. Very strange. Beautiful. Slowly but surely, we're getting there with the emeralds. If you're transforming the castle, you can remove it for now. Just put it back up there when it's done. Just that if you do move me, hide me better next time so normal guy doesn't find me. Okay. Alright. I honestly don't even know if I'm revamping that. Because the whole point of keeping it there was kinda to like keep the memory of the original village that was here. So you might just be staying there anyway. I don't plan on touching that at all for specific reasons. But still, let me know if you wanna get moved. Same with this ape guy. This ape guy's been sitting in midair for about 6 months, so probably way longer than that actually, but yeah. Also, poor little Mono. Just so sad. I'm sorry, Mono. I think he used to be sitting on an iron farm. Couldn't tell, but poor guy. I feel you, dude. I feel you. Hey, why are you significantly taller than me? That's messed up, dude. What the hell? Wait a minute. Oh, you are to scale. Yeah, shrink down, buddy. That's much better. No, that's so much better. Oh. Nice. It's not accurate. Shut up. I'm the tallest streamer here right now. Okay? It's okay, little guy. You'll grow eventually. That's effed up, I'm sorry. I don't remember. Do I have to expand this road anywhere else? Also, buttons are gonna go. That's what we'll do. They may or may not make a comeback. Buttons. Whose bright idea was it to put buttons in here anyway? Looking at you, Abra. Freaking builder nerd. I'm just kidding. I'm pretty sure I insisted on putting buttons in here. Again, might make a comeback because I don't know what I'm gonna do with 4 stacks of buttons anyway. I think I crafted 4 stacks. I don't know why I would remember it wasn't. Maybe I made 4 stacks and didn't place them all down? Not sure. There's a good chance it is 4 stacks of buttons though. If it was my idea, you put them there. You put them there. Yeah, I'm Abra. I'm weird. I'm British. Whoa! A full golden skeleton. I'm a little disappointed that we are yet to find a full diamond mob in this world. Quite upsetting, I'm not going to lie. Am I brain farting? Have we found... We haven't found a full diamonds mob yet, right? Oh, I have no buttons here. Perfect. I don't think I have. Watch out! Insert that smile emote Amanda has? Wait, what? Amanda has a smile emote? So I did not finish up these roads well. What the hell is this? Guess I'll come back to that. Oh, the Ellie one, yeah. Oh my god, dude. Ace 2? Love you, but like, gotta stop. Oh my god. Not even meaning to do it. Alright, maybe not 4 stacks, but it's a freaking lot of buttons. Imagine I go like... Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Why don't I dislike that? Why is that alright looking? Why do I care so much about that? Ooh, no. Too much work to go back and put these on every house. Smile. Oh my god, dude, they're so freaking loud. My arrows are bouncing off of them. What is this? It's gotta be a bug, right? You get on the buttons. That's it. Have you heard of Sound Controller? This mod? Is that what it's called, or the other one? Yep. I love Sound Controller. I use it a lot, but you're right. Could do that one. What's like the hella loud one? I can't tell. What's like the super loud one? Is it Swoop? I want to say it's Swoop. What's ambient? No, I'd kind of rather. Yeah, alright. That's the super annoying loud one. Here's an idea. Turn it all down. Wait, would you rather I turn my master volume down more? Really? Just talking about all the Phantom stuff. Oh, okay, good. My audio is not like totally messed up, by the way, right? Like I shouldn't be tweaking like everything, hopefully. Rest of the game is good? Okay, perfect. Alright. And I will not touch a thing. But every time I come across something that's slightly too loud, I just go into Sound Controller there, Whimsical, and then fix it. You break my boy, Fletcher. Actually, is this guy... I never set him to invulnerable. Thanks. I heard like a long time ago that setting armor stance to invulnerable reduces lag because the game is not checking to see if it gets hit or something like that. Like you cannot move it or break it or anything, so the game doesn't like care. So it's better on the PC. I don't know if that's true, but makes sense. It sounds like it could be. So just note that. Yeah. And even if it doesn't, maybe it feels like it does, and that's all that matters. Alright. I feel like I'm missing 2 buttons. Considering I have a stack in 62, which is really bothering me, I feel like I'm missing 2. That sucks. Oh, 63. You poor soul. Hey. You totally saw what button I missed too. What? What? Yeah,
The voice of the moon, controller of the tide.
Ooh, look at you. Let me just deal with my fucking phantoms. God damn it. Yo, Abra. GG's. Long time coming. Like 2 years. Dude, congratulations. Voice of the moon? Alright. Control of the tide, sorry, full name out here. I see you. I see you, dude. I see you. I hate phantoms so much. Oh, now you're gonna swoop down on me like that? Asshole. Alright. Got you, dude. That long? Yeah, so it's the equivalent of like a Ascension Whimsical. Just way less cool. What what a title, literally. Like, what a title. Whoops. Abracai. If I can type correctly. Sick. Hey, GG's, Abra. I'm happy for you. Abra's like the most helpful homie like ever. Just, I'm saying that right now. Literally ever. He the best. He has been around for quite some time. Like almost every day he's here. Freaking modding and not whatnot. Not telling me where this last button is, but it's okay. It's okay. With the smile. So like this village right here is technically Pumatz's build. So yeah. I mean it's a lot. Pumatz is also a homie though, so it's okay. Where was this last button? This is bothering me. Now I know why you were asking how long I was playing Minecraft for, Abra. That makes a lot of sense. I honestly kind of forgot about it. I know you've been ready for it. Oh geez, dude, that was fast. What the hell? Glad. Thank you, man. Maybe I really did only place down a stack and 63. That'd be crazy though. Abra. Hi, Hunter. I don't know. That's how I read Hunter's message there. Yeah. What's up, Donkey Kong? Yo, Square Brains, welcome in. I'm doing pretty good, man. Thank you. Hope you're doing well. Alright, I'm just not gonna find this last button. Wow. Alright. Oh well. What's up, Hunter? Hi. Hey, homie. Edge. Tell me I have like one stone button in here or something. That'd make me so happy. Or 3 stacks and 59. That's cool too, I guess. Maybe it despawned. Oh, honestly, maybe. Maybe I broke in and didn't pick it up and now it's gone. Oh well. Whatever. I had the page up ready and everything. Huh. Oh, by the way, I have a not ready today because I'm a doofus, but I have a thumbnail for the YouTube streams for the coding streams, and it's kind of cool. I can show you guys actually, can I? I think it's on my phone. I don't have it on Discord, unfortunately. Oh well, whatever. Alright, you guys want words up? Will you guys play words? It's words time. When I come back from break, we are coding. So get hyped. Making this last check for a button. Alright, no, whatever. Alright. Hope you're having a good day, Hunter. Hope work's going well. Alright. I'm gonna get words up for you guys, and then when we get back, we're switching over. what you coding? We're gonna do a Minecraft mod that I'll show you guys. It allows you to change the radius of raid spawning. So the current distance is 96 blocks away from the center of the village, but this mod lets you adjust that to make it closer. Not farther away yet, because that's more difficult, but any range from 0 blocks away to 96 blocks away from the center. And I'll go into detail further when I get back. For tonight at 5. Nice, dude. Alright. I have words up if you guys want to play. Shoop. I'm gonna get food probably. Give me like 10-15 minutes. The usual. Abra's in charge. Freaking guy just did the thing. If you want to edit the if you want to edit the pin message Abra with your clip, be my guest. Dude's cracked at modding, I guess. Alright. Give me 10 minutes. I'll be back. Shoop. I forgot about the bot. Dude, it disconnected from Twitch only. What? Give me a second here. Okay, so just a little turn off and turn it back on again, and it worked. That's so weird. Huh, alright. Well, shoop. Hi, homies. Sorry, that was like the best PB&J of my life. In case anybody wants to know. Alright, I'm gonna change the title on YouTube chat and then we'll be good. Nice. Sweet. Alright. Sorry, homies. Let me switch over to this thing. Yes, this thing. Cool. Also, hi Luke. Hope you're doing amazing. Elite Gamer, welcome in. What's up, homies? Hope you guys are doing well. This is Dynamic Raid Spawn Radius. So, like I said, it's pretty much done already. I believe Taupe suggested adding the same thing with, mob spawners, which is a pretty cool idea, but I did not get that to work, so I'd rather just this be, oh yeah, no. Sorry. It just did not work. So let's go back to here. Max is 96. Just one of those. Whoops. Mixins, that. If I am to get it working, it would be its own separate mod anyways, so, shoop, and it should load. Beautiful. Okay, so basically this mod is honestly not that difficult to understand. It just changes the vanilla Minecraft raid logic. It just changes the code to let it like change basically. That's pretty cool. It replaces the code for raids with its own custom code, and that's pretty much all it does. Like, that's literally the entire mod. So, and the rest of the mod is just mod menu and configuration for it. Oop. So most of the mod is this screen right here. And then a little slider here. And what's really cool is I didn't think this would work, but you can actually change it like in game. You don't have to restart the game to change this, which is pretty freaking sick. So I have mini HUD set up to work with spawning spheres. I was testing that thing, sorry. Time set day slash do daylight cycle false. Slash we'll do mob spawning false. And boom. But you guys can't hear this, can't you? Why can't you guys hear this? Oh, probably because this isn't Minecraft. Right. Okay, so observe. We have Raid Omen starting in 15 seconds. I have to wait half a minute every single time, which is kind of annoying. Oh well. And the Swept, welcome in. I shall observe. Thank you. So as of right now, it's set to 96, which is the default. So they should spawn on the third ring over there, which is pretty cool. Actually, let me turn off the 128. Let me turn that off because that's confusing. So the last ring there, and they spawn on the ring. Perfect. Next one. So while the bar is loading, it already knows where it's gonna spawn, so you can't go into it and change it now while the bar is loading. Because it will, if I change it right now, let's change it to 32. Thank you, Sweps. Thank you. If I change it to 32, it's not going to change. It's still going to spawn on that third ring over there. Perfect. But when the next wave loads up here, it's going to use the new value of 32. So then they will spawn on this ring here. This isn't something that you would adjust mid-raid anyway. It's not meant for that, but perfect. And it's there. So that's basically the entire thing. Basically the entire thing. And then if I go back to it and set it to 0, we're gonna have to go through this wave first, because the wave already checked where it's gonna spawn. Spawns on there, perfect. And this next wave, I set it to 0, is going to spawn right on top of the villagers here. And this is good if you build, like, something that you want to fight raids in. Like a Coliseum, wink wink. Boom. So, really, really freaking cool. Super simple, but it's pretty cool. Let's set this to... Let's go with 50. So this wave will spawn on the glass because I only edited it after the bar started, so get rid of that. Next wave should spawn like at this point, the 50 block point, between the first and the second ring. If I did this correctly. It's working so far. Beautiful. So right there. Yeah. And it's pretty sick. And we won. Good job. So that is dynamic raid spawn radius in its infancy for you guys. Pretty cool. I'm actually gonna clip that because I might put that in a highlight or something. Alright, cool. So all I have to do, the mod works, which is great. All I have to do is the language file, get a new icon. This was a placeholder. And change the this thing. This was automatically generated. I'd also like to test this on other versions. Create dynamic raid spawn radius, or DRSR for short. Allows changing the spawn radius of raid waves via config. On menu, perfect. I don't have an icon for this thing whatsoever, so I honestly don't know what to do there. But yeah, pretty cool. Spawn radius. I removed the raid here because I planned on including the whatchamacallit, the other part of it with spawners and stuff, but that did not work out. Raid spawn radius, and what is that? Is that the tooltip? That's the tooltip. Raid spawn radius in blocks. Raid wave. Raid spawning radius. And these 6 is bam, dynamic raid spawn radius. Cool. Let's add, we got this already, perfect. Actually, how I want to do this is like this. How does the tooltips work? What's up, Michaela? Oh, hi, good morning. We are nerding out today. Yes, yes, yes. Hope you're doing well, homie. What was I just looking at? I don't freaking remember. Oh, it's how this works. Open bracket, close bracket. Cool. Thank you, homie. I'm doing good. Shoop. Actually, I'd like to show you. This is the new mod we're working on, Michaela. Will it have any use to anybody? Maybe not, but it's cool. Check this out. It lets you change how far away raid will spawn from the center of a village. So the default is 96. You can change it to be anything you want. That's less than 96. Yeah. And it's a unique idea that's not already out there. So that's why super niche, but it works. It doesn't work for over the vanilla distance of 96 for annoying hard code reasons. But yeah. It's cool. So the first wave will spawn at 96. That's what I have it set to here. But then I change that value to 0. So these guys will spawn on the... These guys will spawn on the third ring, if the code is correct. Yes, they spawned on the third ring. Next wave will spawn right on the glass because the value is now 0. And you can actually change it in-game. You don't have to restart the game, which is super cool. As long as it's before the next wave is loading up, it will adjust the value, like mid-raid. So, really freaking cool. Let's just put it at 40. Random number. But 40 should be like right around here, because blue ends at 50. So 40 is like right around here. This is 32. So 40 is like right around here. It's going to spawn right in between the first and the second ring. There. So, really cool. Really cool. Yeah, so some people might find it useful. I know specifically one person that this might help, and that is Jamal. He built a Coliseum to fight raids in, and the Coliseum was too small, so the raids spawned outside of the Coliseum. And all I'm saying is, you can fix that with this mod. That's the whole... Honestly, that's one of the main reasons why I did this. But honestly, yeah, raid farms, like it totally changes raid farms. I haven't tested with raid farms yet, but yeah. So since this wave has already loaded, or it has already started loading, I think it will spawn at the 40 blocks that I set to. Because it won't change until the next wave starts loading. Welcome back, Aber. So I'm pretty sure this wave is going to spawn in the middle again. Yeah, over there. But the next wave will spawn on this second circle here, because I set it to 64. These circles are 32, 64, and 96, by the way. And second circle, please. Yes. I just like to see it work, honestly. That's all it does, by the way. That's all this mod is. Just saying. Might find it useful. Another thing, Michaela, I know you have a busy schedule. I want to ask you one thing. If I was gonna make a Discord bot for the server to like automatically DM people that are whitelisted. It will automatically DM them the link to the server and whatnot. If I was to get it to work for like multiple servers without it like interrupting each other's commands, if you want to add it to your server so that it does the same thing that I plan on letting it do with mine, then let me know, because I feel like that'd be a really cool way to get people to once they get whitelisted, the bot will automatically send a DM to them with a private link to the Discord server, rather than just have a private channel set up where you just click it. So if I'm able to get it to work where it just knows what server is which and doesn't get them confused, because Cool Club Bot only works on one server and that's mine. But if I make this bot work on both, I will let you know, and I'd like if we both used the same bot. So yes, we are slaying today. We're very slaying. I don't know if I'll get to that on stream, but I'll definitely get to it tonight. So yeah. What's up, Pokemon? Welcome in. Or Loom, sorry. Can it work on servers? It's a great question. I've not tested that. I think it does. I'm pretty sure it will. This is a fantastic question. I will test that out before I release it. The official release. I will definitely test that out there, Loom. Thanks for bringing that up. I didn't even think about that. Oh my god. I mean, if people find it, like, useful, like, super niche, like, reasons to use it, then, I mean, be my guest. That'd be amazing. Thank you, homie. I will let you know, Michaela. Thank you. Hopefully it works out. That'd be such a cool thing to have. But I do need to design an icon because this is not gonna cut it, unfortunately. This was a don't mind the placeholder icon. A little bit of a jump scare there. I'm very sorry. Respond to the admin chat about this weekend. Oh. Oh. No. All right, we'll find a different time. Get out. What is this start without me BS? Are you actually kidding me? No, I got you. We'll find a different day. It's all good. Yeah, no worries, homie. I want us to both be able to like stream it and join it for like the first time, you know? At the same time with like everybody on. Trust, we're going to have like 20 people on first day. Server's going to crash. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be awesome. Yaha. What was I doing again? Language. Oh, I need to check how I do the tooltip thing. Not that one. The screen, I think? No. Which one is it? Tooltip count 1? Well, let me just copy paste that, but then how does it work in here? Oh, it automatically makes the tooltip, maybe? I am so confuzzled. Give me... Nope. Oh, that's the wrong freaking one. There we go. I'm pretty sure I just replaced the comment there with this. And it should create a... So the difference between a tooltip and a comment is that the tooltip can be translated into any language because it uses like an ID that I have to map to the English file, where a comment is just, you can't change that per language, if that makes sense. Just whatever text is there is the text that you see. So yeah, that custom tooltip will work for any language that it's translated into. So, sick. I don't like that there's a search bar here. I mean, it's just how cloth config works. It's how it's built, so you don't have to create the screen. It's just that is cloth config, which is pretty cool. But only one slider, and I mean, whatever. It's fine. I'm so hyped, dude. Not even funny. I'm so hyped. Yes. But yeah, let's get all of this stuff going. I wish I could put this in a spot that's easy for you guys. Actually, it's fine, because I'll just be doing this. Alright. So let's see here. No keybinds in this mod. Like, at all, actually. So... Or maybe, I mean, we could make a keybind for it to be accessible through a keybind. Could do that. For chance. Also, there was a bug where it created a button like on the menu. It seems like that's gone. So, I don't know what I did to fix that. I didn't even notice it was gone. But there's a button like just stuck between the language and video settings button that let you access this thing, even though I had it on mod menu. I don't know where that went, but it's gone. Okay. Server launch tomorrow. Funny, dude. Funny. For those who did not see, you can check the pinned comment. Our very own Abra redeemed his Titan today. Finally, After like 2 years of being here. Man's finally got it. Text dot auto config dot dynamic raid spawn. You know what? F it. Let me just. Oh, so annoying. DRSR. Thank you. That's only for cloth config, so I only have to do DRSR title. Boom. Boom. Dynamic raid spawn radius configure. What a freaking mouthful is that? That's funny. Text dot auto config dot. So this is the title of the config menu, and then the thing I'm making now is the one button that's in it. Auto config dot DRSR dot is that. Dot option, right? Yeah. Dot option dot raid spawn radius. Boom, boom. Dynamic raid spawn radius value. I just realized it's only that. Like the title of the mod is the functionality of the mod, so that's that's funny actually. And now we copy that and the tooltip. I guess I don't even need a tooltip. I don't even need a tooltip, to be honest. Vanilla 96 blocks. Abra is a nerd. Let's test this out. All right. Tool tip. Do I need a dot? I do need a dot here. We kind of don't need a tooltip. The tooltip is when you hover over the thing and it explains to you what the button does, but it's so simple that you don't really need to know. Did not need to go into a world, but oh, and the raid is spawning. You know what? Let me just change that. Oh, this still is broken. Text autoconfig DRSR dot option dot raid spawn radius. Dude, what? This is. This is this should be. Oh, does it not need a quotes? What? I'm confused. Text.autoconfig.drsr.title. Yeah, that's exactly what that says. It's not. It's brokey. Confuzzled. Should have worked. Let me check this. Nope, it should be good. Bro, what? Text.autoconfig.drsr.title. Dude, is there any difference between that and that? X.autoconfig DRSR title. Dude, there's no... Ah, stupid. It's a stupid mistake. I don't know what mistake it is. It's exactly matching that. Option rates dot at. Huh. Weird. I can try to restart it. Again. Bruh. What am I doing wrong here? Oh, is it platform? No, it's not platform. Do I need... Do I need a Lang thing here? No. Do I need a, do I need it to be nested in a different thing? Assets dot... Assets dot... DRSR? My first build won't even be my starter base. That's amazing. That's great. Does it have to be in a root thingy? So I think yeah, oops. I did not mean to do that. I've made a huge mistake. Oh wait, no I didn't. Hold on. Assets / line. What the hell? I just want it in assets, dude. My god, was that so hard? Oh wait, no, I want it in assets, not in assets. Hold on, dude. I'm so confused right now. What did I do here? We got assets.drsr. Thank you. Geez, sorry. My bad. Are we good now? Well, now it freaking loaded, so I mean, I guess we're good. Guess it needed to be in a different freaking thing there. Don't even know how that works. Um. Whatever. Where's the assets dot assets slash? Oh, okay. Assets slash DRSR slash icon. Whoops. Whoops. Why am I taking a screenshot? Thank you. Wow. That took way too long. Thank you, Kuklabot. Fudge. There we go. Jeez Louise. Oh my god. Abra's a nerd. Do I need the tooltip? I don't really think I do. Do. Bro. You can't force him to. Thank you, Kuklabot. Oh, see? I was just done with you, dude. Just done with life. Look what you've done, Abra. Look what you've done. Thank you, Kuklabot. See? Damn. He's gone. Good going, Abra. Whoa, scary. Good going, man. DRSR configuration. Dynamic raid spawn radius. Raid spawning radius. Vanilla 96 blocks. Default slash vanilla. Let's try that. Thank you, Kuklabot. Thank you, Kuklabot. Yeah. 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 Raid spawning radius. Dynamic raid spawn radius. Vanilla default. Adjust raid spawn. Adjust a raids spawning radius. Self-explanatory. Dude, I don't know if I like the wording of these though. That's why we change it. I do like that tooltip though. Adjust raid spawn radius. You know what? Let's just not even. Let's just not even. I'm sure I'm sugarcoating the. I'm adding fluff to the config, which I don't need to be doing. I'm spending way too long on getting words to word. Beautiful. Just simple as that, dude. Get hyped. Love that. Vanilla, default, 96 blocks. So I don't know why my screen flashes black every few seconds. That's annoying. I'm sorry, guys. Dynamic raid spawn radius config of 96. Beautiful. I think that's all of the... I want to say that's all the language is just the config, no? Maybe not. Should I add a custom hotkey? I don't know, but I do need to get rid of this freaking icon. I think this is ready for GitHub. Actually. Do 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 do. Perfect. I shall upload this as like a beta or something. Flagies. What project is this set to? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Which project is this even set to commit to? Do, 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 do. Wait. What's up, Key? Stupid Bluetooth won't work. Shows connected, but outputs on speaker. Sorry about that. I don't know, I don't really know how Bluetooth works. Well, I kind of know more how it works than what you're even talking about. I'm sorry. What was I doing? What was I doing? Oh, GitHub. Oh, I did that. I was like, what the hell? There's an issue. There's a new issue with this? Let me go over to here. Boom, boom. Git, GitHub, Share project. Public. Via a config. Perfect. Origin, I guess. Dynamic rate spawn radius. Invalid repository name? Oh, just. Sure. Initial comment. See it. Is it here? Is it here? I haven't done this before, actually. I haven't had it automatically update to beautiful. It's there. Let's go. That's cool. It's pretty sick. It's just automatically on GitHub. Oh, that's swell. So we need the client initializer for cloth config and mod menu to, do its thing. But this main file is what I think it will work on a server, to be honest. It should work on a server. I have not tested that out though. But yeah. Let's put it on moderate. Thank you guys for all the freaking downloads on enhanced keybinds, by the way. Hello. 63 in total between the two versions of the most recent update. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. That's awesome. Also 740 on 1.2 and 1.4, and it barely even worked. That's wild. Actually wild. Talk about slow burner. This mod is gonna. Damn. Thank you guys. Let's make a new one. Create a project. Dynamic raid spawn radius. Add a description, select the license. MIT, where's MIT? Where's MIT? MIT. Save. Add external links, not yet. Alright, nerds. I'm getting the beta up on this thing. If you guys wanna, actually, you can't even check it out because it's under review. That usually takes a few days. But get hyped. Let's build this thing. Also, I want to make sure it works on, like, in an actual game. So we build it, and then it should be in libs. Yes. Zero 0.1.0. Yeah, because this isn't an official release by any means. So we'll do beta. Yeah. Okay. I do want this to work for that. So good. Loader version. 0.16.4. Is that the same as here? 0.16.10. Okay, whatever. Oh, it's 14. I'll probably do 10. And then 0.16.10. It's like somewhat new, right? Wait, what the hell? Did I not update that? Whoops. 0 beta 1. That one. Yeah, that works. Boom. Beta.1, redo that. Thank you very much. Seems like it's all still working. This raid should spawn at 96, I think, or whatever the last value I had it at was. I think it's 96. Beautiful. Nice. Incredible. Increable, even. Oh, okay, that's it. Hope it still works. Perfect. Build that. That can get deleted. English only, please. My fault, my fault. Third. Alright. Upload a version. Let's get that on the good ol' thingamabobby there. Whoa. Where's that? Where's that? The DRSR. Dynamic raid spawn radius for 1.21.6 to 1.21.8. Beta? I love how it knows that it's a beta too. Like it senses, it just knows that beta is in the title, and it's exactly what it does. It's pretty cool. Do you pay for WinRAR? I do not, Sadler, no. Pops up with the pay for WinRAR every single freaking time. But yes, it's totally free. Um do I even, you know what? Let's test this out, shall we? Because I haven't yet, to be totally honest. Probably always good to test a freaking mod out before you upload it on GitHub. Even if it is a beta. Minecraft mods. Does it require Fabric API? I want to say it does. Because it has mixins, but I might be wrong. For sure it does, though. Yeah, okay. Whoa, chill, chill, chill. Thank you. I haven't paid for 8 years. Yeah. Sadler, whoa, that's very bright. I'm so sorry. Oh, this was me looking for SMP seeds, by the way. Wait, why is this different? Oh, okay, whatever. Sorry, have you seen this mod at all? Have you seen? I guess I was only working on it today and off stream yesterday. It lets you adjust the radius of raid spawning. So by default, it's 96 blocks away from the center of the village, and it lets you adjust it to anything up to 0, and it works. That's the biggest part. It works. So, freaking hyped about that. I don't even need that to test it out, but yeah. So cloth config is embedded. Let me remove. I guess I should be including that mod menu's embedded too, right? I guess. So to start a raid, you can change it to whatever you'd like. Yeah, and the thing is, dude, I didn't even know you could do this until I was testing it out. You can change the distance mid-raid, like during the raid. Like before the next wave starts, you can change it and it will adjust to what you set it to. You don't have to restart the game. You don't have to start a new raid for the changes. It's like it's per wave. It will change, which is so cool. So mod menu is embedded. That's pretty cool. I don't even have mod menu on and it's working. Alright, so let's go back to here. So it does require Fabric API. Project, boom. Cloth config, boom. That would be embedded. It's embedded, boom. And yeah, that's it for that. They won't disappear. Yeah, exactly, Sadler. So the limitation to it is you can't go above the default. You can't go above the vanilla value of 96 because if it's above 96, it's not going to know what to do. They're going to run away from the area. So they're attracted to the center as long as they are 96 away. But if it's any less, it will still know to go towards the center. So it's pretty cool. I can show you in the testing world I've made. It's pretty sick. Initial upload. 1.1.0 beta. Read me. Coming soon. Have not tested much. Use this cloth config and mod menu. That's fine, whatever. It's a beta. Shoop. So that will get approved in like a few days. I don't think you guys can download this now, which kind of sucks, but let's complete the required steps. Client side. Server side. Optional, I guess? I haven't even tested if that's... Wait, no, server side is required. Client side is... optional? What would client side be? Select based on if the mod has functionality on the logical server. Remember that single player contains an integrated server. So, yes. Based on if the mod has functionality on the client side, which is the configuration for it. Just because a mod works in single player doesn't mean it. You should stay live for another hour so I can get home before end. No audio, so I'm going to assume the answer is sure. Sure. Hi, Pug. Can't wait for my new headphones to be delivered. Hey, new headphones? Wipe. Client side is technically optional. I mean, required for it to freaking work, yeah. New changes. Select tags. Oh, okay. Game mechanics. Mobs. That's really it, right? I don't really... What if I don't want to upload an image? What the hell? Oh, the required stuff. Oh, that makes sense. It has a download already. It has a download. How does it have a download? What? What? I shall submit that. Beautiful. Do you still think just vanilla with the SMP? I like the idea of vanilla because I am better off later, so I'm just used to it. Yeah, yeah. There's gonna be mods for Java, Sadler, like voice chat, and that's really it. And the plugin where you can sit on stairs and slabs, I'm pretty sure it works on Bedrock. I don't know if you guys knew that. There's a whole thing about there's a whole like thing on GitHub about how it's buggy, but certain ways to, you know how you can click on it or like double crouch to sit on it? Apparently on Bedrock, if you double crouch, you can actually mount the stairs on Bedrock, which is pretty neat. So that's cool. Try it on Bedrock, it did work? Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, I don't remember if you were able to do it on the last one. Under review, here we go. It does work on all the versions, by the way. I put it on 1.21.7 and it loaded, so guess that's not a good not the best point to say it works. I can show you this right now though, Sadler, if you want to check it out. Called Dynamic Raid Spawn Radius. Allows changing the spawn radius of raid waves with a config. That's all it is. This is the whole thing for it. There's more code in here. There's more code in here for the configuration of it. This screen is most of the mod. The actual functionality of the mod is this one file right here. This file is what makes the mod like do the thing. So it's pretty funny. So by default it's 96, as you can see. Let's go on a world here. As you can see, I have mini HUD installed, so I have these rings here. And each ring is 32, 64, and 96. I like to test with it. This checkered pattern goes to 50 because I was testing out with that too. And I will show you how this works. This command kills everything except me and the villagers. So easy to test with that. I have to wait 30 seconds every time, which is pretty annoying, but played the last one for like 3 days, did play a lot. The old one. So it starts a raid because these villagers are here. It started the raid with the value of 96, so the raiders are gonna spawn somewhere along this third ring here. Observe, let it load in, and they spawn on the ring there. So the mod works. So since this second wave is already loading, it's not going to take the new value until the next wave. So let's set this to 64. No, let's set it to 50. Let's set it to 50. This next wave that's about to spawn in is going to spawn at the 96 again, because that's where the value was when this wave started to charge. So it should spawn on, yep, the third ring. So this next wave that's loading is going to spawn somewhere in between the first and the second ring. It's 50, so it's going to be like right there. So as long as it's in between the first and the second ring, it's working. And it spawns there. Perfect. So then let's change it to 32. And since we changed that value before we killed the wave, this wave that's spawning is the 32. So this new wave will spawn on the first ring here. I did it right. And shoop. And they spawn there. Beautiful. Just to show you that just to really show you guys that it works. Back to 96. I set it back, right? Yeah, back to 96. It will go back to the third ring. I hope. Now this is a single player server and stuff, so I gotta see if it works on a actual server. That would be sick. See, spawns back on the third ring. And then set it to 0. Take a guess where it will spawn. Take a guess where this will spawn. And whoa, I just dropped my phone on my mouse. Whoops. It should be right on top of the villagers. Yes. So that's that mod. It's not meant to be. You're not meant to adjust the freaking thing like mid-raid. But I guess if people want to do that, they can. This is really one of those things where you change it to whatever you want, and then you don't change it again. But but I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool. And so now they should be spawning back at the default 96. Beautiful. Thanks, man. Yeah. And victory. Nice. I'm gonna clip that too. I was showing this off before and I clipped it because I want to make like a small highlight out of it and then upload it somewhere. Little showcase would be cool. But like a TikTok? Yeah, something like that. Short TikTok. Put it everywhere. Instagram. Discord, you know. The directions of the spawns random. Yeah, so you can't precisely pick where they're gonna spawn, but the game checks the radius of it. So it's any block, any possible block that's in the radius. So it's gonna be like a circular radius that is available for it to spawn in. it basically creates like a big circle and then, spawns it based on that. So this is the code for it. It's a single mixin. And it just overrides the, I'm pretty sure it's very similar to the vanilla code. It just overrides the vanilla code to allow you to adjust it, basically. So instead of it saying like, oh, blah, 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 96, it's blah, 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 whatever your number is. Which I think is random offset around center. Yeah, I think that's, so this code here is actually what makes it change. Rather than just a set 96 distance, so. Yeah, we'll see who actually wants to use this. That'd be cool. Yeah, so that's that. That's all it is. Taupe actually suggested doing the same thing with mob spawners, because he had an issue where his mobs are spawning like outside of the room that he made, because by default they spawn 4 blocks or up to 4 blocks around the spawner, and he wants me to shrink it down to be able to do basically the same exact thing just for monster spawners. And I tried to do that and it didn't work, so awkward. But I mean, yeah, it's cool. I'll look into that more though, just because he asked. I feel like that'd be a cool idea too. Perfect. So that is on Modrinth, hopefully. Or it will be on Modrinth. Excuse me. I don't know who downloaded this freaking mod. It must have been somebody who is looking at it. Hopefully the next few days. I gotta test this out on servers and stuff. But yeah, that is that. I tried this out, I tried making this a few months ago, and I could not get it to work for the life of me, and it's just as simple as this, so. Yeah. Pretty cool. What I'm gonna do now is look at, I'm gonna head out very, very soon, unfortunately. Sorry, Pug. But I'm gonna be spending most of the rest of my day on the Discord bot. So get hyped for that. Pug cries. File, open folder, cool club bot. Discord bots. I believe it's this. Save. Okay, cool. I've not touched Cool Club Bot in forever, dude. Actual forever. Where's the welcome command? Not command, but handlers, models, utils. Dude, where's the gosh darn welcome? Source. Get local, get our command different level.js event handler. Oh, guild member add. My fault. Right there. All right, dude. Yeah, so that would be pretty easy to do. There's not much else I want to do for the Discord bot. For those who didn't hear me before, I'm making for the new SMP. We're gonna have a separate Discord server just for the SMP, and that SMP that server will have its own bot that I'm gonna make. So it's gonna, I'm looking at Cool Club Bot so I can see what I can copy over relatively easily. Stuff like that. A separate one. Yeah, so we're gonna have a, because it's gonna be managed by me and Michaela Sadler, so we figured it's just way easier to just have a new Discord with its own like little Minecraft community in there. It's also gonna bring us, it's gonna bring both communities together. It's gonna be perfect. Because Michaela has like her own like completely different community, and I love that. She's got all the got all the variety homies, all the queso fans, because she's a big queso viewer. So all the other queso viewers are like united. It's awesome, dude. Yeah, the streams are chill. The streams are chill. Hmm? Nice. All right, I did say I'd be coding today, and I did do some modding, but the Discord stuff will have to be for later. Maybe a Kuklabot stream, but don't get your hopes up. But also, maybe get your hopes up. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. But ooh, what a banger. Thank you guys though. I know everybody's lurking, but I appreciate you guys. Is Link is live. We're gonna raid Linksy. The Linksy. How you doing, Linksy? I have returned. Uh-oh. We were just talking about you. Hi, homie. Thank you guys so much for today. I appreciate you guys. I know the coding streams are a bit different, but for all you guys here, you guys are the best. Yo, Spookable, welcome in. I'm so sorry. Appreciate you popping in at least. I was about to be mind blown if you were somehow coding a Minecraft mod with JavaScript. No.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you for the follow. Imagine. I don't think that's possible. I was just coding Minecraft and then I was showing off the Discord bot the last like 5 minutes of stream. But yeah, appreciate you, man. Appreciate it. We mostly stream hardcore Minecraft, by the way, but I've been dabbling in Minecraft mods recently, so expect mostly the hardcore streams. Thanks, man. You too. Appreciate it. Make sure to get your daily totems, by the way. Last chance for that. And all that stuff. Put your totems in the bank, all that fun stuff. Shout out Abra, who got his Titan today. He loves to make that known. So toxic. Thank you so much, Michaela. Have a good rest of your day, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, probably. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Abra. Thanks, Sadler. Michaela, thank you. Spookable, thank you guys. Thanks, Mods. Thanks, everybody. Bye.